Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 39 and teach you how to use it in our day-to-day life. For example, it's 10:30. It's Monday. It's raining. So you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 39. It. Section A. We use it for time, day, distance, and weather. Time. What time is it? It's 10:30. It's late. It's time to go home. Day. What day is it? It's Thursday. It's 16th March. It was my birthday yesterday. Distance. It's 3 kilometers from our house to the city center. How far is it from New York to Los Angeles? It's a long way from here to the station. We can walk home. It isn't far. We use far in questions. Is it far? And negatives. It isn't far. In positive sentences, we use a long way. It's a long way. Now, weather. It's raining. It isn't raining. Is it snowing? It rains a lot here. It didn't rain yesterday. Does it snow very often? It's warm. It's hot. It's cold. It's fine. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's sunny. It's foggy. It's dark, etc. It's a nice day today. Compare it and there. It rains a lot in winter. There is a lot of rain in winter. It was very windy. There was a strong wind yesterday. Section B. It's nice to, etc. It's easy to. It's difficult to. It's impossible to. It's dangerous to. It's safe to. It's expensive to. It's interesting to. It's nice to. It's wonderful to. It's terrible to, etc. It's nice to see you again. It's impossible to understand her. It wasn't easy to find your house. Section C. Don't forget it. It's raining again. Is it true that you are going away? Now it's time for exercises. 39.1. Write about the weather in the pictures. Use its. Number 1. It's raining. Number 2. It's cold. Number 3. It's windy. Number 4. It's sunny. Number 5. It's snowing. Number 6. It's cloudy. 39.2. Right? It is or is it? Number 1. What time is it? Number 2. We have to go now. It is very late. Number 3. Is it true that Ben can fly a helicopter? Number 4. What day is it today? Tuesday? No, it's Wednesday. Number 5. It is 10 kilometers from the airport to the city center. Number 6. Is it okay to call you at your office? Number 7. Do you want to walk to the hotel? I don't know. How far is it? Number 8. It is Lisa's birthday today. She is 27. Number 9. I don't believe it. It is impossible. 39.3. Write questions with how far. Number 1. How far is it from here to the station? Number 2. How far is it from the hotel to the beach? Number 3. How far is it from New York to Washington? Number 4. How far is it from your house to the airport? 39.4. Write it or there. Number 1. The weather isn't so nice today. It's cloudy. Number 2. There was a strong wind yesterday. Number 3. It's hot in this room. Open a window. Number 4. It was a nice day yesterday. It was warm and sunny. Number 5. There was a storm last night. Did you hear it? Number 6. I was afraid because it was very dark. Number 7. It's often cold here, but there is not much rain. Number 8. It's a long way from here to the nearest shop. 39.5. Complete the sentences. Choose from the boxes. It's easy, it's difficult, it's impossible, it's dangerous, it's nice, it's interesting. To work here, to visit different places, to see you again, to get up early, to go out alone, to make friends. Number 1. If you go to bed late, it's difficult to get up early in the morning. Number 2. Hello Jane. It's nice to see you again. How are you? Number 3. It's impossible to work here. There is too much noise. Number 4. Everybody is very nice at work. It's easy to make friends. Number 5. I like traveling. It's interesting to visit different places. Number 6. Some cities are not safe. It's dangerous to go out alone at night. This is the end of unit number 39. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 40. Till then, bye bye.